to know about you because I think it's more than 2 years you are on YouTube.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, because
Yeah.
so when did you start your journey?
Actually, I have started my YouTube channel since 2020 lockdown. So there was nothing to do sitting in the home. And also I was so introvert. So that's why I started my YouTube channel, at least so that I can speak with my camera and I can be extrovert. So I have, so welcome ma'am. I'm really privileged and deeply honored to have you on my YouTube channel, Iconic Indo. So I will ask you first question, that is, how are you? How are you doing?
I'm doing great, sir. What about you? Thanks for asking.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you for joining here. I'm really awesome and I feel very excited to have a conversation with you today.
Yeah, when you messaged me, then I, after thinking about this conversation, I was also too excited.
Okay, great.
Yeah,
I feel honored.
because I have learned so many things from your videos, especially your conversation videos.
Oh, really? Oh my
Yeah.
God. And I can't thank you enough that you are the inspiration for all the English learners, like who are very afraid of learning English or speaking English,
Yes. Yes,
especially
sir.
villagers.
Yes, yes.
So I just want to know from you, like there is no introduction, but if you want to introduce yourself little.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, I would like to. My name is Yashoda, and I'm 29. And I was born in UP, but I raised in Punjab. Yeah, but this time I'm living in UP. Currently, I'm living in UP with my husband, and it's been 7 years. I got married with my husband, and
Great.
yeah, as you know that I'm a housewife as well as I'm a YouTuber. That's it about my
Wow,
introduction. Yeah.
awesome. Like as you mentioned that you are a YouTuber, like what inspires you to start a YouTube channel or who inspired you?
Actually, since my childhood, I had that dream of I wanted to be in my life. Means I just wanted some name and fame since childhood. Whenever I saw means like a actor. So then I started
Wow.
thinking about being an actor. And whenever I saw a cricketer while playing cricket in the ground, okay, and yeah, then miss whenever I saw, I just got fascinated about that. Yeah, I just want to be like that because I have that dream of becoming something in my life. Yeah, so that
Okay.
dream also was in my mind since my childhood. And yeah, some of my financial conditions, they inspired me, they pushed me, I just say they pushed me a lot for starting a YouTube channel.
Wow. Good.
Yes.
Like it's a I can't say like that. It's a really dream to like to go to the direction what you want to achieve, and you are like achieving such things. So what do you feel?
I couldn't get you, please repeat
Okay.
it.
Yeah, sure. So, being a viewer, or you want to be famous, or you want to earn name and fame. So, like, what do you feel that you are earning name and fame? So, what does it feel?
Actually, when I started my YouTube channel, then I didn't have any idea. Means within 1 month or 2 months, my channel will get monetized. Yeah, but I have that dream of yeah. When I started my channel, yeah, after 1 year and 1.5 year, then I will be able to earn money. But I don't have yeah this kind of mindset. Means after 1 year, means within just 1 month or 2 months, means
Hmm.
I will be achieve my dreams. I would be achieve my
Yeah,
dreams.
that's great.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah, it was
and you are
it's nice
becoming
feeling. It's nice feeling that I'm inspiring someone to do something in their
absolutely
lives. Yeah.
true. Like
Especially
you
I
are the
opened this
inspiration of
channel.
millions.
Yeah, especially I opened these channels means as you know that my channel is about only in just for learners means who want to learn this language, and I'm also a learner here. I'm just doing my practice because in my home there's not any kind of environment, and I'm not having any kind of friends and partner with whom I can practice. Yeah, that's why I opened this channel so that people they let me know what kind of mistakes I'm doing while speaking. Yeah, and they helped me a lot, just like viewers and subscribers like you. and there are a lot of subscribers because of their love and support. That's why I'm here in front of you.
Yeah, it's awesome. It's awesome. Like, what? Why do you want to learn English? I just want to know from you.
Yeah, means when I started scrolling in YouTube, means what should a woman do to earn money? Okay,
Hmm.
then I saw so many videos. Okay, these days, especially women, okay, they are making some kind of video just like dancing videos, singing videos, their house vlogs. Okay, then I thought it's normal. I just wanted to do something different from all of them. So yeah, then I found this English language in front of my eyes, and after watching so many YouTubers, especially yeah, there are so many YouTubers, and still they are learners. Okay, they have their own YouTube channel, and when I saw all of them, means they are learning this language as well as they are YouTuber. They are trying to earn some money from this platform. Yeah, then I thought this is the very best idea. This is a perfect idea uh, to show others. Yeah, I'm a YouTuber as well as I'm a learner. At least I'm influencing someone.
Yes, yes, absolutely. You are
Yeah.
influencing some people, and also you are spreading education freely. That is like incredible in this
Yes.
2023.
Because after my 12th study, means after my 12th intermediate education, I was, means my parents, they were not able to, they were not able financially to give me, they will help me to give my education, give me educations,
Okay, to continue your
just like
education. Yes,
in graduation and post graduation. Yeah, but when I start learning this language, then I thought, yeah, if I were not able at that time, yeah, that then it's okay, because that time I don't have money, we didn't have money. Okay, but now God has given me this technology, this YouTube, this phone in my hands. Yeah, then I should use it. And yeah, I used it, and only because of using this, and after watching a lot of, I watched your videos so many times, and still I'm watching your conversation videos,
thank
especially your clapping
you.
conversation. Yeah, and whenever I saw you, means you just like Alina Rais ma'am, and there's this from South India, Shri Ramla. I also wanted to
Yeah,
learn this language because they are giving a very good thing to our society, especially.
absolutely.
Yeah. So I
Absolutely.
always wanted me to be just like you. That's why I
Oh,
started my journey. And yeah, behind this, there's one my dream. Means yeah, I'm 12th pass, but when I came here with my husband after marriage, then I saw there are so many children. Okay, they are not going to their school because they don't have any kind of knowledge. But it's the benefit of having education in their lives. Means after having education, means after being educated, you can do everything according to your choice. But
absolutely.
if you are illiterate person, you don't know the power of literacy, then how can you? Yeah,
Yes,
so that's
absolutely.
my dream. I just wanted to do so many things for my villages, for especially for the kids.
Wow. Like, awesome dream, awesome dream. Like, everyone should have such dream to, like, someone is becoming famous or like noble. So it's a noble work to provide free education to all the people, especially kids, because
Yeah,
I think that it is the truth that is like villagers are comparatively underprivileged from the city life. So I think that they are very craving for the education. So I think that you are doing awesome job, and just keep continuing this such awesome job, and all the best for your upcoming future dream.
thanks.
And yes, and God really bless you a lot to help through you to millions of the kids of your village.
And I also wanted to know about you because I think it's more than 2 years you are on YouTube.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, because
Yeah,
so when did you start your journey?
actually, I have started my YouTube channel since 2020 lockdown. So there was nothing to do, sitting in the home, and also I was so introvert. So that's why I started my YouTube channel, at least so that I can speak with my camera, and I can be extrovert. So I have like little question to you. May I ask that?
Yeah.
Okay. So, so ma'am, like how to overcome the fear of speaking English? Because when anyone listen to this language, so they are very afraid of speaking English. So how
Yes.
to overcome such thing, the fear of speaking English?
I think the fear is nothing but it's just your thinking. Means the
Mm.
fear is in reality there is nothing like fear, but the fear is only in just in your mind, just like ghost. Okay, we always have heard about ghosts, means there are ghost stories so many times since childhood. We are hearing, okay, we heard from our grandparents, our parents, and still we are watching their movies. Okay, only then we realize that yeah, ghosts are in reality, but in reality there is nothing like any ghost. That's the same with, that's the same happens with fear. Means how much we think about fear, okay, then the fear only will be in front of you, then you will realize yeah, there's something like fear. But if you forget about fear, it's like there's nothing like fear, means only me and my dreams, only we are here, okay, and I just want to chase my dream, okay. Somehow it's my opinion, okay, it's up to me, I have to do it for myself. So I have to overcome everything, every kind of obstacle. So yeah, that's fear is nothing like anything. Yeah, but it's just like your thinking process. Means what are you thinking about you? Means as a learner, okay, means when we start speaking English, everyone have only just one fear. Everyone has only just one fear of speaking. How can we start speaking? How can we start speaking? What will happen? What will if other will start mocking at me? He will start making fun of me. But we don't think about the second part of the thing. Means
Mm.
if someone pointing out your mistake, if he points out your mistakes, means while means I am speaking, okay, or if you start sister, you made mistake here, so it means you are improving me, at least you are helping me instead of pointing it means it's our just thought process. Means some people think, means if someone pointing out, it means he realized us, he made me embarrassed, okay, and
Yeah.
that's why we start regretting it. But behind everything, means if I talk about in our life, means if something bad happens with us or good happened with us, okay, means
Yeah.
in bad situation, we just need to understand both the things in the same way. There is nothing like bad, there is nothing like good, okay, we just need to understand it, we just need to use that, I can say that thing, means that
That's situation.
situation means we just need to have patience, and yeah, just do your things whatever you want to do. And yeah, so we just need to, if we have any kind of fear of, we just need to face them, okay.
Yes.
Means yeah, yeah, means since when we were kids, okay, then we had that fear of going to school, okay,
Yeah.
but we started going to school, then after some time, means after 1 year and 2 year, now we will get used to then we will get used to go to school, okay. So that's like something, if we start doing one thing again and again and again, so yeah, it means we are getting the habit of that thing, and yeah, obviously we are overcoming this fear. So there's nothing like fear, it's only in our mind. So if you really want to overcome any kind of fear, you just need to do only one thing, just face it. Don't run away from your fears,
Mm.
whatever kind of fears. If you have a fear of reading books, in sometimes mostly students and learners, okay, we have a fear of, means reading is just like a boring thing, okay. So if
Yeah.
you don't feel like means reading books, then start doing it, just for start from 1 minute, and 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, and after some time you would feel that your interest in that book. Because now when you start enjoying something, means I am learning this language or I start enjoying this process, then this would be very helpful for us. Or if we take it as a very boring subject, means something like we do it reluctantly, it means yeah, I don't feel like it, how can I do it, means it means you are
I'm not
not pushing
interested.
yourself, instead of you are pulling your legs.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
True. I got it. Yes, I have to face everything. Like if you want to grow interest in such field which are very tough or boring, you feel, then just face it, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay, definitely. And ma'am, yeah, the last segment of this video, that is, what are the tips that you want to share to the thousands of people or learners to learn English or to speak English? What are the tips to be fluent?
Tips.
Yeah, ma'am.
Yeah. Uh, Actually, I'm not able to give tips someone. Yeah, but I can say, I would like to say only one thing, means if you really want to learn this language, then learn. Okay, otherwise you don't need to learn this language. Means India is our country and our Hindi is our national mother tongue. But you want to but if you have so many dreams, like you want to go abroad, okay, you want to do a job in a multinational company, even in a small companies, they want their employees just be too much fluent in English language, because these days everyone just want to explore their business, okay, they want to do their business out of this country, means so that's why we need to do it. Or if you want to clear any competitive exams, then you need to learn this language. Means
Yes.
we can't deny this truth this time. Means English is not important for everyone. Everyone needs this English. Even
Ab-
means if you are a single parent, okay, means you are a parent, you have your kids, okay, you don't need to learn English, okay, don't learn. But just think, after becoming a father, okay, then you also want your kids to be educated from a English medium school in CBSE board.
yes.
So if we wanted our kids to be educated and they start speaking English language, then we also need to create that environment, only then they can start speaking, otherwise how can they?
Absolutely, ma'am.
Yeah. So at least if you want, okay, if you want to learn, if you want for your kids, if you want for yourself, at least for your parents, means this time English is, without English, every person just like nothing,
Mm.
nothing. We can't say it. We can say it.
You
And
have to learn English, whatever you have to
yeah, and
speak.
especially for housewife, okay, if you want to go out of your house, you want to show your personality, yeah, so you need to just develop yourself, okay, you have to do it at least for yourself, because these days, if means yeah, I'm just like this, means I have get this name and fame only because of this language, otherwise if when I went to Delhi, okay, in my Joe Stop interview, means in the train, means everyone, they just consider me, she is a simple lady from a village, okay, she is nothing, no one recognized you. But if you why you are recognizing me, only because of this language. So this
Yes.
language has so many powers, and especially we can say, if you want to go out of our country, out of our country means, so then you can
Abroad.
easily learn. Yeah, you have to learn this language, and the ways to learn, there is only one way to learn, means listening and speaking. Yeah,
Yes,
writing
yes.
and reading is very important also, we can't keep it this two things inside, we have to work on this too also. But yeah, we need to work on listening and speaking too much, because in
Okay.
listening, okay, we are making our ears to in the habit of listening this language, because in a conversation only two things are important. So we have to ask question from from your means other person, and we I need to answer them from means whatever the other person
The
asks from
question.
us.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
for a question. So I think that's why these two things important, the way you are asking
Absolutely.
questions, the way you are answering their questions. Yeah,
Mm.
that's why listening and speaking is very important. And yeah, if you really want to speak good English, yeah, there is no alternative, there is no substitute of practice.